These are some nice clovers. I haven't found a 4-leaf clover yet. But anyways, that's not what I'm here to talk about. What I'm here to talk about is that this evening, I'm going to love this evening, I think. Because we are under a tornado watch. It's going to be so cool. I'm going to love this evening. Because we are under a tornado watch. Like I said, just some clovers. Yeah, earlier I was just trying to find a 4-leaf, but I couldn't. So, just be prepared to watch my video of a train horn kind of startled me. Severe weather. And the tornado watch is, I believe, until 9 p.m. So, be prepared to see some severe weather this evening. Like big thunderstorms with probably constant lightning. These clovers are beautiful. There's a bug that's trying to get me. There's a tornado watch for Southeastern Pennsylvania. I just got back from my trip on Saturday. Which is like Sunday past 3 a.m. There's bugs that are bothering me. These clovers are amazing. Look at them. So, just be prepared to see some crazy storms, intense storms. There's a lot of clovers over there. I just don't know why I'm making videos of clovers right now, and just making an announcement for this video. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So, tornado watch. So, my guess is that there's probably going to be some lightning hitting the ground with loud booms of thunder. And that's supposed to happen, let's say, around 5 p.m., maybe a little bit later, like 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. It's supposed to, I guess, die down at 9 p.m. So if it's pretty long, I'm going to film the part where it gets most severe. So, right now, I don't know what the time is. I'll just go check. The exact time is 3:27 p.m. So, that's the exact time. And I'm guessing the storm is going to be most severe at one point. There's probably going to be lightning hitting, excuse me, the ground, not, pretty close to us. Like in that one video where there was on July 1st, when there was a tornado warning, lightning hit say, I don't know, like 60 to 70 feet away from my house. I don't exactly know, but depending on what it looked like. Couldn't actually see the lightning, but I knew that it hit the ground, and I knew that there was a loud crash of thunder after that as well. Yeah, it did rain earlier, but just want to say that be ready to see some severe weather in southeastern Pennsylvania, which is actually, we don't really get much severe weather around here. But it looks like 2021 brings us stuff that I like to see, which is severe weather. So, we haven't gotten, my socks are getting wet. We haven't gotten there was a thunderstorm on July 17th, but I wasn't here to film it because I was on vacation. If I was awake, I'd film it if I was home. Comment down below if you think we're actually gonna have a tornado warning tonight. Well, if that happens, I'm gonna be pretty scared, but excited. What is that bug? I'm really excited for this. It's gonna be so fun watching, recording Big Storm. You can see the sun up there. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. What do you think is gonna happen? During the storm that's supposed to hit tonight, early this night. So I'll probably not be in bed during the storm, which means that I'll be awake filming it. If it's not during dinner time. So just be prepared. Your mind might be blown, because there's probably going to be some close lightning strikes. There's probably going to be some heavy rain, frequent, constant lightning, loud thunder booms, which always happens during close lightning. Normally, we could get a severe thunderstorm watching thunderstorms here. If not, we would just get a little bit of thunder and rain. That's the normal thunderstorms we get here, actually. But it looks like 2021 is actually bringing us the opposite of that, which is severe thunderstorms. And thank you, Mother Nature, for making this happen. Goodbye. Covering the camera. Goodbye.